Hi everyone, this is Instructional Resource Evaluation Screencast, and I'd like to share instructional resource Social Interaction in Online Courses, which I evaluated. Here you can see the link to the web. I also want to illustrate the page of this web. Here is the menu, which divided into which includes headings, which helps to easier navigate. Here is introduction, content, conclusion, contact information, and references. Well, here I'd like to talk about two which I used to evaluate it. I used Casey Sherrock's critical evaluation forms. So here is the references, and also I'd like to show the web page, which includes several forms of evaluation, evaluation survey, and some relevant articles, topics, and tips, and also a tutorial video, which also helps. And here I'd like to talk about pros and cons and what I've learned from this evaluation. Well, first of all, it's in information reliability. I'd like to say that these evaluation forms help me, first of all, think deeply about the purpose of the page and raise question, can I trust to this page, and what is the domain of this page, edu or gov, and many other questions like that the page has, can I trust it, or include, that the page include references, links to relevant sources, and etc. At the same time, for me, one of the important parts of the evaluation was thinking about my own instructional model. Does it meet all evaluation requirements? How can I improve my future web page and make it stronger? Furthermore, I acknowledge that I cannot believe to all information which provided on the web, but at the same time, I didn't know how the evaluation criteria and how to understand what of the information is fake and what is true. So this evaluation criteria really helps me to think deeper about the information which provided is true or not, and also think about my model. So how does the instructional resources addresses at least two Clark and Meyer principles? Here I would like to illustrate contiguity principle, which is provided at the introduction part of the web page. The web page actually provided many other principles, but here is one of them. It also provides different types of graphics, such as decorative, where here is the picture of classroom, and then representational, where there is a text which is relevant, and also relevant images. And also I'd like to say that the technology which I used was the Screencast-O-Matic, which is also here. I would like to show the first page, and here you can start with the free trial video, and it was very easy to start, navigate, and work with this tool. And that's it. Thank you for your time.